Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a tutorial on this eye and lip makeup look right here. It is a super highly intense glam glitter cut crease eye, which is actually really easy to create. And the lips, as you can see, is a deep chocolate brown color, and it is a matte lipstick, and it is one of my favorite lipsticks. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, then definitely keep watching. And as always, if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, definitely do hit that notification bell so that you never miss a video from me. Also do follow me on Instagram because I do a lot of mini tutorials, tips and tricks, skincare and things like that on there. So if you're interested in that kind of stuff, then surely do follow me on Instagram. Let's start. Starting with Burnt Orange from the Modern Renaissance palette, I'm going to use my MAC 224 to apply that shade above my crease and into my crease. Now this is a cut crease, so we want all the colors to be super smoked out as well as super intense. So you want to make sure you keep building it till you get the color payoff that you want. Using this darker orange shade and a smaller tapered brush, I'm going to apply that into my crease, taking it all the way to the inner corner as well, and starting to kind of bring out that V shape that we want to create. I applied this at least 3 or 4 times to make sure that the color was well intense, and now I'm just diffusing it out with the burnt orange and the same brush, the MAC 224 that I used before. Obviously doing the same thing on the other side as well. Like you can see, I'm starting to create that winged shape with the orange color. Taking this dark brown color from the same palette, I'm going to apply it with a very small pencil brush into and a little above my crease. Now I have a very deep set crease, which is why I have to apply it above as well if I want the color to show. And then I'm just going to once again diffuse the color with the same MAC 224 with some of the burnt orange, the first shade that we put on the brush. Moving on, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal Concealer to cut that crease, to start to define that cut crease that we're trying to create. Now, usually when I do this, I need to be tugging on my eye so that I don't have a lot of very wrinkled application. So it was not possible to do that while on camera and holding the mirror. So I did fix it after I kind of applied it off camera, and that's what it should look like. Using that shade from the same palette, I'm just going to apply that on top of the concealer that we just applied to kind of set that concealer so nothing moves out of place. And once I was done, I am using this gel eyeliner by NYX to apply a winged liner, like you can see. If you want to see how I create a winged liner, a detailed video is on my Instagram, so definitely go ahead and see that. But these are the basic steps that I follow when I want to create a winged liner. So my eyes, like you can see, are very big, so I have created a very thick winged liner. You guys can do it proportional to your eye shape or eye size. And just fixing the wing right there, joining it with that cut crease. Moving on, using the Stila Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow, I'm just taking it on a small brush and applying it all over where we have applied that shade Vermeer, making sure you don't apply it on top of the winged liner. Now the reason I'm doing this after applying the eyeliner is because this is a glitter eyeshadow, so sometimes the winged liner is very crumbly if I do it after applying this eyeshadow. So I did my base off camera, and moving on to the lower part of my eyes, I'm just applying that dark brown shade with the same brush under my eyes to kind of give a smoked out effect, as you can see. Applying it from the outer all the way to the inner corner of the eyes. Taking this Kajal pencil from Plum, I'm just going to apply it again right where we applied that smoked out shade. So into my waterline and almost all the way to the inner corner of the eyes. Moving on, I'm using this highlight from Becca Cosmetics in the color Champagne Pop, and I'm just going to apply that to highlight the inner corner of my eye and to also highlight my brow bone, like you can see. Next, I'm using the Urban Decay Perversion mascara, and I'm just going to apply generous layers of mascara on my top and bottom lashes. And you can stop right here, but I did go ahead and apply falsies. Mine are from House of Lashes. These are the Iconics, my favorite eyelashes. They are from House of Lashes. They're super dramatic, they're tapered, and they go so very well with this look. So once I'm done applying the lashes, that is it for the eyes. I have moved on to the lipstick part of it, which I have used Chocolate Wasted by Dose of Colors. It is a liquid matte lipstick, and the shade is absolutely stunning for those who love dark lipsticks. So I have applied that all over my lips, like you can see, and this is the absolute last part of this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely do give it a thumbs up if you did. And just before you go, here's a little snippet of what the final look looks like.